As controversy swirls around him, acting U.S. Attorney General Matthew Whitaker visits the tri-state, talking today about the opioid crisis. Good afternoon. I'm Julie O'Neill. 9 on Your Side reporter Tom McKee joins us live with his message. Tom.
Well, he's announced creation of a new group to fight this crisis. It's called the Appalachian Regional Prescription Opioid Strike Force. The southern base is going to be in Nashville, but the northern base is going to be right here in Kenton County in Fort Mitchell. Of course, Whitaker was surrounded by assistant U.S. attorneys from Ohio, Kentucky, and West Virginia in making the announcement downtown this morning. He pointed out the urgency of the task at hand. Drugs kill more people now than guns in America. 70,000 lives were lost just last year, equal to the population of all of Canton, Ohio. The acting attorney general said the task force will have 12 new opioid fraud prosecutors put in place.
Each one of these new assistant United States attorneys will have their own team of federal investigators and law enforcement agents. They'll also be mobile. If there's a small case that turns into a bigger case in a non-major city that most of these U.S. attorneys' offices reside in, they can prosecute that wherever they need to, and they can give the resources to the local law enforcement and help take out the folks that are causing this death and despair and pain.
Newtown Police Chief Tom Synan was one of the people who met with the Attorney General. He's with the Hamilton County Opioid Task Force, and he says it's another example of Washington acknowledging the work that's already been done right here in the tri-state to try and solve this crisis by creating partnerships between law enforcers. On a little bit of a lighter note, Julie, the acting Attorney General had his breakfast this morning at Camp Washington Chili on the recommendation of some of his assistants who are here locally. He said he enjoyed the omelet, loved the geta, and he's going to come back for more in the future.
Well, of
Tom
course
McKee, 9 on Your Side, live in Covington.